Hold on. Hey guys, we're going to do a fart thing.
Inside the doctor.
Inside the doctor's office. Let's do it. It's a prank. Whoops. We accidentally ran one up.
Here goes again.
There went the doctor. He said, "What the fuck was that?" There went that mouse on that Harley.
There was the pee bomb.
There went that mouse on that Harley. I thought the mouse was on the Harley. There went Skylar on the mouse. Alright guys, bye.